So why is the welcome key so important, do you think?
I think it's so important because it's that first impression, and it's making sure that anybody that comes into that space knows that they're welcome and they're part of the community, and that wherever they've come from or whatever their start was, that this place is a safe place, and it's a place for your child to grow, and it's a place for you to be part of.
Fantastic. So why is the welcome key so important, would you say, Lauren?
I think it's important because it's reminding us all today how important it is that every child, no matter their background, no matter their educational needs, have a place in this world. And I think if we can start off with the first time we meet them is their welcome, isn't it? So if we can get that right, then that then just keeps snowballing positively to a place where they are welcome, they are supported, and that's where we see them grow.
Why is the welcome key so important, would you say?
I think welcoming is the most important thing because it makes you feel like you belong, like you feel that somebody actually wants to see you, wants to pay attention to you and hear what you've got to say. Welcoming makes you feel at home.